Unit 6, Reef Encounters. Reading A, Cities Beneath the Sea. For uncounted generations, trillions upon trillions of tiny creatures called coral polyps have lived and died, leaving behind a substance called limestone. A building material prized throughout the history of mankind, limestone was used to construct the Great Pyramids of Egypt, as well as countless churches and castles. Even today, crushed limestone is used to make the cement with which modern structures are built. For this, coral polyps are sometimes called the animals that helped make the world. Yet the greatest limestone structures in the world are built underwater, by the coral polyps themselves. We call them reefs. They are larger in scale than buildings made by any other living beings, including humans. A variety of life. Indeed, a living coral reef is remarkable. A city beneath the sea, filled with a rich variety of life. Coral reefs thrive in warm, shallow oceans near the equator and are among the world's most colorful places. Each reef is full of brilliantly colored fish and coral, forming wonderful patterns. In addition to their beauty, the reefs are an important food source for fish and for humans. In fact, reef fish make up a significant percentage of the global fish catch. Threats to coral reefs. Various human activities can cause great harm to the world's coral reefs. For example, reefs can be damaged when the coral is taken for use in building materials, jewelry making, or to fill aquariums. Illegal fishing methods like blast and cyanide fishing also harm the reefs. These methods can help fishermen get a good catch, but their negative effects on the reefs are significant. Blast fishing involves setting off bombs in the water to kill as many fish as possible. The blasts kill most living things nearby and cause damage to the reef structure. In cyanide fishing, fishermen release liquid cyanide, a very dangerous and deadly chemical, into the reef. As a result, the fish become stunned. This makes them easy to collect. The fishermen can then sell them for big money to the aquarium market or for consumption in restaurants. Meanwhile, the reef is damaged by the cyanide, which kills large numbers of coral polyps, and by the fishermen who break apart the reef looking for the stunned fish. Another threat to a reef is water pollution. When floods in Australia covered the Great Barrier Reef with dirty fresh water, the quality of the water changed, and chemicals killed the reef life. This is happening to many reefs around the world. In addition, due to global warming, many reefs have become sick, turning white in a process known as coral bleaching. Reasons for hope. These threats to coral reefs are very serious, but there is reason to hope that they will survive. If we take steps toward coral reef conservation, it is likely that these tiny creatures, which survived natural threats for millions of years, will be able to rebuild the reefs that so much ocean life depends on.